Well, coming to the main stage at Dream Rights is the beloved children's off-kilter book, The Stinky Cheeseman and Other Fairly Stupid Tales. Sounds kind of fun, right? And kind of silly. Well, we are going to be fun and silly here in the kitchen today. Joining me here to share more about the show are two actors, James Manjo and Gonzalez. Okay, we're going to get to play with our food in just a few moments. First, I want to ask about the show. It sounds really fun. Could you tell us each who you play, what your character is like?
Go ahead, Rio. Who are you playing?
Well, I play Foxy Loxy, a very mischievous, sly fox who's up to no good.
Up to no good.
I'm the Sticky Cheese Man. Yeah.
And what is that?
Sticky Cheese Man. Well, you know your gingerbread man. You know that story. But
yes.
I'm the Sticky Cheese Man. So instead of being all cute and playful, I mean, I'm still playful, but you know, I'm a little stinky. I got a little stench to me, and
yeah.
I run around a lot.
Maybe people aren't so interested in hanging out with the Stinky Cheese Man. But I'm not familiar with this children's book. I want to be now. So can you tell me just a little more about the story?
Yeah, sure. So it's a funny take on the stories that you normally would know, like, you know, Foxy Loxy, you got Sticky Cheese Man, the gingerbread man. So the gingerbread man, you know, instead of like, you know, running around and wanting to be, people want to eat him, instead you have the Sticky Cheese Man, or people are running away from him, you know, and just kind of just similar funny stories that are just like, you know, just silly, and they want to be it's supposed to be fun.
How is that for your self-esteem, playing this character that people want to get away from?
Well, you know, for me, as Sticky Cheese Man, in my head, I think people want to eat me, you know. So,
oh, okay.
So for me, like, I'm so like, hey, you want to eat me, don't you?
Oh, so you're oblivious.
Yeah, but they're like, I don't want to eat you, actually. I'm like, what do you mean? I'm great, you know, I'm a Sticky Cheese Man. But it's kind of just playing on that, and kind of that silliness of it.
Clearly, it's a lot of fun. What have you enjoyed about the show?
Oh, well, I've enjoyed being just part of the cast. I've had a blast with them. I love it a lot. I love it a lot. And nothing beats working with James. He's very fun to work with. I love working with him. He's been a blast, and I've had a blast with the cast.
Oh, that's so great. So that brings us to this. Okay, we are going to create our own Stinky Cheese Man, which you've done some for me, and you're going to walk me through this. But as we said before the segment, there's no recipe here, so it's just pretty much free for all, right?
Yep, free
okay,
for all.
so I guess I should just start with the cheese, or how are you going to start there?
So we're going to start with, we'll take. Actually, let's take the cheese right here. We'll make these for the legs.
Oh, okay.
And we're going to rip some bacon off here. Prosciutto. Wrap this around here.
Like his clothing.
Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah, his clothing.
His armor in a way, you know?
We'll take his body.
Doing that.
Do that for the body. We'll take some. We'll actually rip these apart.
Oh yeah?
We'll rip these apart.
Wait, how are we going to do a head?
So a head, we're going to take
There's
this.
an art to it.
There's an art to it.
So
Sorry, I'm not familiar with cheesies.
So we'll take the, I'm going to take another one of these. We're going to place this for the head.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and we're going to take some capers.
Capers for the eyes.
The eyes. Oh my gosh, it's so
It's going to be really stinky.
Yeah, very stinky.
And you're using the toothpicks to actually hold them together. We don't need that.
Well, you know, different takes on the Sticky Cheese Man. I mean, it's, you know, different home recipes, you know. So this is this is a variation of it, you know.
Variation.
We'll take some bacon bits here. We're going to place these a little bit big, but I can do it.
I think he's pretty cute,
that,
actually.
right?
I love it. It's fun. It's fun. I'm trying to figure out how to make the smile here.
Oh,
gosh.
so cute.
Who knew Foxy Loxy could make a Sticky Cheese Man?
I can. I'm probably going to end up eating them.
Look, let's spin it around. Let's spin it around so everybody can see.
Look at that.
And as we show that, I also want to put the information on the screen as to when this show is happening. It opens the 24th, right?
Yeah, next weekend.
Runs through the 2nd. This is at Dream Rights. How can folks get more information about the show or tickets?
Well, you can go to dreamrights.org, and tickets are that's on dreamrights.org too.
Yeah. The $14 to $20.
$14 to $20 for general admission and the reserved seats. And that's really it. That's it, really.
Just go online?
Yeah, and before the show, we have a featured reader. So we have a celebrity reader that kind of reads their favorite children's novel before the show, 30 minutes before the show, to kind of get people in the mood for the show. Okay. And also, it'll probably be in our writers' concession area, where we have a gallery going on with different local artists that have, you know, different children's novels that they made that are, you know, featuring the local artists.
Oh, how nice. This sounds like so much fun. I hope y'all have as much fun during the live performances as clearly you've had during rehearsals.
Oh gosh, we will.
It's great. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you.
We'll be right back with more Good Day PA.